only thing that I wanna get lost.
We're going to a waterfall in Stony Hill. I didn't even know that St. Andrew had like rivers or waterfalls or any sort of water bodies.
Oh, yo.
But we're here.
That means that Zane has gone to many of these. Oh, he has.
It's cool. Like the whole entire journey. Oh, we were like on the verge of being stuck. When we were coming up, it was like we don't know where we're going. And like it was like one whole road up, but then the car was like vroom, vroom, vroom. You know, we were like kind of like suffering, but you know, we had to pray to God, praise Jesus, hallelujah, you know. And you know, he protected us, he directed our path, all that and baggy chips, so we're fine. But I didn't do like a fit, but here's the fit. Oh no, it's just a regular like there's like another path over there. Oh, okay. Okay, so kind of abandoned. Like visit, we're in a whole entire completely different parish. Be careful, Alex. But I don't know, it should be worth it. Like look at the bamboos. Like this is an adventure, bro. Like this is crazy. Like, we were starting to think that, well, we'd never make it home. We'd never reach it to the river. But look, we're here. And it's gonna be like a secret place that we've never been before. That barely anybody knows of kind of vibe. It's a secret treasure of St. Andrew, Kingston. So instead of saying, oh, I need to, oh, I'm out of breath. But yeah, we're here and it's awesome. You know? Well, I see water. I see like a lot of water. Yeah, look over there. The man said it wasn't a far walk. Lie. Like I'm getting cool now, so I don't know if the river will be an advantage.
Partner? Their river's in Partner? I don't know. I think the next best thing would have been going to the fall. Yeah. Let's see because we know the roads.
You know, let me hold my phone properly. Like, it's so steep. Terrified. Be careful, Alex. Your Jesus slippers can hutch onto something. I wonder if that man, friend, he just thieving money from us? Or like, he actually there to like take money. Ain't no way. Time to leave. Oh. I did nothing, but we're gonna leave. In the water right now.
Guys. Hey, look back. Ooh, these mosquitoes.
That will be my outro.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Run, run, run!
There's so many mosquitoes.
They're still following us.
They're getting us. How do you turn the camera?
You can't turn it.
That's
You can't turn it while you're.
that's ridiculous. I can't even hold it. My hands look retarded.
You have to hold it like, you know, like so. No, bro.
I don't know.
Turn with the other hand.
Yes. So like hold it. So you can hold it like this.
I wonder if it's still videoing. I
It
might
is.
have touched it.
And guys, that's a wrap. This is my hermano Alex. This is his novia Daniel. Woo. And we're off to Mystic Mountains. I'm not gonna be videoing that though. And bye out.